A suspicious activity warning on Freecash usually means the platform's security system detected behavior that needs verification, not that your account has been permanently banned. By the end of this, you'll know what commonly triggers this warning, how to reduce the chances of additional account restrictions, and what to do if the message doesn't disappear. The first step is to stop making repeated account changes. Don't keep logging in and out, switching devices, or trying different internet connections just to see if the warning goes away. Frequent changes can make the security review take longer. Next, think about what happened before the warning appeared. If you recently logged in from a new device, traveled to a different location, used a VPN, or changed important account details, the platform may have flagged the activity for verification. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, disable it before signing in again. Security systems often work best when they can verify a normal connection. Also, make sure you're only using one Freecash account. Multiple accounts or repeated attempts to create new accounts can trigger additional security reviews. If you accidentally created another account, stop using it and continue working only with your original account. Now check whether your account needs verification. Read every notification from Freecash, including emails and in-app messages. If support has requested additional information, respond through the official support channel using the email address connected to your account. When contacting support, explain exactly when the suspicious activity message appeared and describe what you were doing immediately beforehand. Include screenshots of the warning if possible. A clear timeline helps support understand what triggered the review. Avoid sending several different support tickets about the same issue. Keeping all communication in one conversation makes it easier for the support team to follow your case from beginning to end. While waiting for a response, don't try to bypass the warning by creating another account or using someone else's device to continue earning. That can create additional account issues and make recovery more difficult. If the warning disappears after verification, continue using Freecash the same way you normally do. Avoid switching between multiple devices or sign-in methods unless necessary, and always use the same account for offers and withdrawals. Consistent account activity makes future security checks less likely to interrupt your experience. To sum it up, stop changing devices and networks. Disable any VPN, respond to verification requests, and communicate with support through one ticket if the warning remains. Next, keep your login method, device, and account information consistent whenever possible to reduce the chance of future security flags. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides, and check out our other videos covering withdrawals, offer tracking, and account recovery.